Last session I talked about the second law of the nature, which says that you attract what you fear, because the emotion is the power which attracts. Today I will talk about the third law of the nature. And the third law of the nature is that love is all there is. So basically, love is our ultimate reality. Well, sadly, majority of the people in our modern world believe that love is fear and not happiness and joy. So why is that? So basically, when we feel emotionally attacked or blamed or criticized by others, deep in ourselves we feel fearful. We experience fear, even sometimes we're not conscious about it. So the reason is because our ego feels threatened. And that means basically that our identity is threatened because we identify ourselves with our ego. And what is basically the ego? The ego is our concept about ourselves, which has been formed early in our childhood based on our interactions with the significant people in our life, including our parents, our closest people in our life and our surroundings. So basically the ego gives us a false sense of self-importance. So in these situations, the ego feels threatened and then it wants to protect itself, it wants to defend itself, or it wants to attack back. But it is important to understand that this reaction is based on fear, not on love. Because this reaction is out of proportion with what we usually feel deep in our heart about that person. So now the question is what we can do in such situations. So instead of reacting out of fear, we need to act out of love. So how can we do that? So first, we need to stop. We need to stop the urge to defend ourselves or to attack back. And then we need to take few deep breaths. In this way, we can connect with the peace which resides always deep in ourselves. And we can achieve and maintain a peaceful state of mind. And then we need to listen attentively to what has been said and what has not been said. So basically observing the verbal and non-verbal cues of the person that we are talking with. And then trying to really understand the words and the non-verbal cues and trying to understand their meaning. So basically we need to listen empathetically, wholeheartedly. And then, amazingly, instead of trying to defend or attack or being right or winning the argument, we'll move into being kind, loving and respectful. And then we will be rewarded with the gift of experiencing the fullest glory of ourselves, of experiencing our true essence, of experiencing love, because that's what we really are. In this way we can learn how to form and maintain positive, meaningful and fulfilling relationships with others.